Hi guys, welcome to Spray Head Shorts on Antique Sprinklers, where you get to watch a sprinkler in operation without staring at my face. Typically, I wouldn't feature a plastic spray head pop-up, but Rainjet made some very interesting sprinklers back in the day, and this one in particular is kind of odd in the way the turret rises out of the head, so I thought I would add a video of it to the channel. Rainjet was renowned for its nozzle technology that created larger water droplets, and they claimed allowed you to stretch the spacing of their sprinklers, thereby causing you to use fewer, so your systems were less expensive. This is a 4832 half circle sprinkler with a radius of between 8 and 12 feet, and I think you're going to enjoy watching it. Thank you very much.